Welcome to ItzRafiq. In this video, I am giving some simple questions for your pre-board computer science practical examination. In Kamrup Metro already pre-board exam started, and I think Udalguri district also started, and even some other district also. Maybe if your district practical examination is started, please write in comment. Also, if you can, please share the question papers so that other student will get help from it. So here are some simple question paper. As Kamrup district have practical examination tomorrow, you will require the HTML, that is in chapter 2, C programming in chapter 4, 5, 6, 7 specially, MySQL database from chapter 3, and some short questions for oral. And this is actually practical related. Mainly you will have to see related to HTML, C programming and database. You will record means the marking pattern is from HTML 10 marks, C programming 7 mark and MySQL 8 mark plus Viva 5 marks. So here are the simple questions. First, you will have to write any one question for HTML. The first question here I gave, using concept of table display the different states and their capitals. Means you will make two columns. One column will be state, one column will be capitals. And suppose you are writing Assam, then capital will be Dispur. Like that you will write 4-5 states. It will done. Then number B, you have to make two pages. On the first page you will keep one picture along with a link to another page, and another page you will keep some information about the object. And number 2, C program. Here write a program to check if a number is prime or not, and write a C program to find a summation of the digits of any number. And here from each question, HTML and C programming, you might get options. You will have to answer only one. And this is just sample question and or model questions. I am not sure that only these questions are coming in your examination. You can see some other question also, like in HTML one more question is there where frames concept is used. You can see that also. And for C programming, even you can see the patterns, especially that pattern which numbers come like 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, that pattern. And some of the natural numbers or some of the patterns that is in chapter 4, that questions also you can see for your examinations. And MySQL question, there will contain 8 marks, 2 marks for creating the table. You will have a table like this, simple informations with like column name, data type, size and constraint. For creating the table you will get 2 marks. After that you have to add data in the table. For that you might get 3 marks. And after that, based on the data you have to write some queries, and for each queries you will get 1 mark. There are most probably 3 more queries. So 2 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3. Oh, most probably there you will get 3 marks. So 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8 marks. And Viva, as I already said, it will be related to practical examination and it totally based on the person who is taking your exam. So you can see any type of short questions for oral. And if you have any doubt on these questions, I have already explained most of the questions in my video. You can search and see. But still, if you don't know to do any question from here, write in comment. I'll try to explain by today. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.